When you file $50,000 of 1099 income in 2026 and skip 2 easy write-offs, you leave $5,032 on the table, about $3,532 from half your self-employment tax, and $1,500 from the home office simplified deduction. Overlooking these two deductions bumps your taxable income up and can cost you roughly $680 more in federal tax. These aren't hidden loopholes, they're straight from the IRS. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how the half SE tax deduction and the $5 per square foot home office credit work, so you can claim every eligible dollar. It only takes a few minutes to set up these claims on Schedule C and Schedule SE. Disclaimer: this video is for general education only, not tax, legal, or financial advice, and every figure is a 2026 estimate. For your own situation, always check with a licensed tax professional. First up is the half self-employment tax deduction. In 2026, self-employed individuals pay a 15.3% rate on net earnings, 12.4% for Social Security up to $184,500, and 2.9% for Medicare with no cap. On $50,000 of net income, that totals about $7,065 in self-employment tax. But the IRS lets you deduct half of it, roughly $3,532, as an adjustment above the line. That deduction lowers your taxable income directly. Every freelancer who fills out Schedule SE can claim this, and it reduces your federal income tax by about $400 if you're in a 12% bracket. The next one is the home office simplified deduction. If you use part of your home regularly and exclusively for work, think a dedicated corner or spare room, you qualify. For 2026, the IRS lets freelancers claim $5 per square foot of that space, up to 300 square feet. So if your office is 300 square feet or more, you get the full $1,500 deduction. That's $1,500 knocked off your taxable income without tracking utilities or repairs. You cannot deduct utilities separately when using this method, so it's quick. Just enter square footage and rate on Form 8829. Let's see these two write-offs in action. On a freelancer's $50,000 of net 1099 income, you deduct about $3,532 for half of your self-employment tax and $1,500 for the home office simplified deduction. That totals $5,032 in deductions. Subtracting that from $50,000 leaves roughly $44,968 of taxable income for 2026. By lowering your income this much, you save about $600 in federal tax if you're in a 12% bracket. Here's the breakdown on screen. Those were the two biggest deductions freelancers often forget. First, half your self-employment tax, about $3,532 on a $50,000 income. Second, the simplified home office write-off of up to $1,500. Claim both, and you cut your taxable income by $5,032. Beyond these, don't forget common extras like business mileage and solo 401k contributions. You can still save more. If you want your exact number, the calculator I personally use is linked in the description. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a tip on freelancer taxes.